Once you have gotten your oil pastel part of your artwork completely finished, you should end up with something, of course your own fruit, but something like mine that's showing a lot of value with your oil pastels. But we're also going to create some value tints and shades using some paint to complete our background. Now I did complementary colors of orange and blue, so for my background I'm going to stick to blue, but I don't want to leave it just plain paper because I feel like it needs a little more. So I'm going to use some paint, and you're just doing 1 or 2 small squirts of the paint onto some wax paper to use at your table. And then I'm going to be using my paintbrush. I like to hold my paintbrush, especially because I'm doing some detailed work. It needs to be a smaller brush, not a big giant brush, and you're going to be blending and creating some different colors. So I'm going to start with a little white, and I'm going to get a little blue on my brush. If you want to pre-mix it, you can, just to create some different colors. The more white you add, the lighter your color is going to be. That's called a tint. And then I'm going to just start to use my colors. I'm very carefully going to be coming in next to my orange slice here and starting to paint around it. I want to have a variety of shades of color, so I might go and grab some dark, some light, go back and forth. While it's still wet, you'll be able to kind of blend from one color to another. If you let it dry, you're going to get a solid color, and then you'll be able to really see that distinct difference in paint color as you go. So try to do it while it's still wet, just grabbing a little more paint. And when you get near those orange slices, you need to really carefully go around them, kind of outline them like this with my brush sideways, going very nice and slowly around them like an outline. And that way when I go to paint near it, I'm not going to destroy all that hard work I did with my oil pastel. And you can always go back and add more different values of the paint. And you're just going to continue until you fill up your area around your fruit.